my channel, and while I'm doing a whole of this DIY thing in my living room, experimenting and everything, I am sharing, it's not done yet, but I'm sharing everything that I'm doing on wall or on the floor bit by bit with you. I hope you're liking it, and let's start with the video. So I had this black wall right here, and then I thought, what easy peasy DIY something I can do on the wall that can make it look lively, just as the colors that are there in the living room. And yeah, basically that. And so I went on to Pinterest to see some layouts. Again, I'm using a cardboard. Yeah, let's begin the video.
So first of all, you start looking for wall frame designs, like patterns, layouts on Pinterest or on the search engine. I was doing the same. And that's when I figured out the layout I really liked on Pinterest. Then I was thinking how I can use this on the wall that has the meter reading and everything fixed on it. Then I took a pen and notepad to decide basically the kind or the frame shapes that I would be making after several trial and error. Don't waste paper, guys. This was used. I had something written over it already, so I threw it for the sake of the video. But yeah, then I decided what I can do. I made certain shapes, small, big, rectangle and circles, and then marked the colors just like this. It was ready. Now a huge shout out to Nirlon too for giving me non-stick really affordable pura ka pura cookware. It's really nice. You can buy it. It's like really nice. And now I'm using those cardboards only to God bless me, to cut the cardboard in the shapes, in the frame shape. So what I am doing is, I have cut the rectangle. Ab andar ka part also I'll cut. So I have made several markings inside, and then I have done this. So you keep the andar wala part too with you. Don't throw it like I have. So this is how the frame would look. Now you take the cardboard and cut a small portion of it to place it like inside those frames with the same color that you have done on that respective frame. And this is how it will look basically. This is what I posted on Instagram. This is the mess after that followed while I was done.
I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please share it with ones who are living in a rented place, who are bachelors, who don't want to spend as much, or who love DIYing things, customizing stuff, and yeah, basically doing things on their own, because I love doing things on my own. That just makes me more attached to the place I'm living in, and when I look at things, I'm like, oh, this looks good, I made it. So yeah, I hope you like it. If you did, please share it with your friends. Like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time very soon. Bye bye.